What's up, everybody? BG here, Glassworks YouTube channel. We're back out here at it again today. We got a lot going on. Show y'all what we got here. We'll get this. So let's see here. We got Daddy's S10, got Mama's S10, got my oldest sons, and know what you think. We got your truck up here. You ready to work? Get over here right here, you can see, boy.
Yeah.
You ready to get there and get that motor pulled out? Well, get at it, have at it. Noah's truck's up here. There's Daddy's Honda. There's Kevin's S10. Malachi's is back there next to the building. And of course, Plan B sitting here. We're going to try to get this AC stuff wrapped up. Cam's mid-transmission swap. He got the transmission out of this one. So hopefully he'll get out here soon and finish it up. This one right here, we're going to pull the motor and transmission out of this, throw a new motor in it. Got school just a few weeks. We're going to try to get little man some work on his truck. Not like he's going to be driving to school picking up ladies no time soon, but still. Do you see this hole right here?
Yeah.
That goes right here, just like this, okay? And then you push down on it. Like this. Well, let Daddy get the ratchet in a different spot. I got the pulley in the way. Pull hard. Pull hard, hard, hard. Keep pulling. Put all your fat boy on it. Now hold it in place. Ah, don't let go. You're going to pinch Daddy's fingers. Look at there. See? Hang on. Put some more fat boy on it. We need to readjust it. Hang on. Yep, reach in there and pull the belt off. Go on the other side of the pulley. Other side, boo-boo. The back side. There you go. Alright, now watch out. Watch your hands. Now look at there. Your belt's off. What you think? Simple enough? Alright, we're going to keep working. You ready to use your tools you got for Christmas for the first official time? Alright, I'm going to show you what you need to do. You see this bolt right here?
Yeah.
We need to find one of these big sockets that'll fit it, okay? So, what size do you think that is? Is that a 15 or 14?
Hey, 15. I think it might be.
Here, set the 15 on there, see if it fits.
Yep.
15, good answer. Alright, hang on. Alright. Alright, close your toolbox back so we don't knock it down and stuff fall over.
Yeah.
Alright, hang on. And put that right there.
Okay.
Alright, remember how Daddy taught you how to work a ratchet?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on. That ratchet's kind of tight. Alright, you gotta push down on there. See if you can break that bolt loose. A little too tight?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, ratchet it out. No, don't take it loose. Remember how Daddy taught you. Remember? So hold it like that, just up and down, just like that. Put one hand there, one hand there. There you go. Now keep it on the ratchet.
I see a couple of this.
Yeah, you see the back of the bolt right there? Uh-oh, don't fall now. Turn around where you're up there better. There you go. You can sit up there on top of your truck. Alright, hang on. Alright, keep going. Daddy's gonna stop recording for a second. Keep going, boo. There you go. Reach over. There you go. That's how you do it. He said he's literally getting into his work here. He's getting into his work. Alright, let me help you guys. Daddy's gonna teach you how to take a hose clamp off, okay?
Alright.
You'll take here, hold the camera for Daddy.
Alright.
Point it right down here where Daddy's hands are at. Alright. You take your channel locks, vice grip, something like that, and you twist this back. Daddy needs to put a little bit tighter grip on it.
Yeah. But I'm happy we working on my truck.
Well, good. Now you'll take the hose clamp off the other way because this hose don't look no good.
Yeah. Because this hose probably been sitting at the dude's
You
house.
see how it swelled up right there?
Yeah.
It means it's been hot one too many times.
Ooh.
And just wiggle it off.
Alright. Like wiggle, wiggle.
Alright, watch what Daddy do. You see? Look at all that. Yeah, that sucker's been hot one too many times. Alright, you gotta pay attention now. Alright, we're gonna do one more now. Taking that other hose off from the motor. We're gonna take it off right here so we can pull this radiator out, okay?
Alright.
Hand me the pliers. Alright, Daddy's not gonna record this one. We'll be right back, guys. Alright, now all we gotta do, pull the radiator up now. Grab the other side, pick straight up. There we go. Alright. You done pulled your first radiator, you done your first oil change. Now you fix to pull your first motor. Alright, hang on. Daddy's gonna throw this up there where we don't bust a hole in it, okay? Need to get in the habit of putting your tools up, okay? Push the button. Put that where it goes. That way if you need it, you gotta snap it in place. I guess it don't snap in. And then, yep, take the socket off. Put the socket. Come on, pull, bro. There you go. Put the socket where it belongs, and I'll put the extension right there where it belongs. That way, you don't lose it. That way, when you need it again, you know where it's at. Alright, well, hang on. We're fixing to move some stuff, okay? We're fixing to take... Look, we're going to take this right here, and we're going to swing it around and sit it over here, okay? Alright, hang on. You want to record?
Sure.
Come over here and record. Fingers out the way. That way, when we pull your motor out, can you see my face? That way, when we pull your motor out, we don't have to bleed the air conditioner stuff out. That way, maybe we can save your AC.
Yeah.
AC on your motor.
Alright. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad, guess what? I got O'Reilly's number
You got O'Reilly's number?
inside of my truck.
Oh, that way if you need parts. Alright, we got that loose. Now we gotta work on getting wire and harnesses loose. Power steering lines will come loose. I'll just work our way through it. I'm gonna take the time, just a little bit at a time with him. Alright, let's see what we get next. I just looked at his other motor, seeing what we're gonna need. So these power steering lines were cut on that other motor, so we're just gonna undo it here. And back up here. We'll get all this power steering lines taken loose, that way we can reuse them. So get him over here working on that, and we'll go from there. Alright, you See how Daddy's doing it? There's tight spaces, so sometimes you gotta flip your wrench to get on it. You can turn so far, flip your wrench, turn it again. See? Sometimes that's what you gotta do. It's almost out now. See, it's out. So power steering lines are unhooked. Daddy made a mess with power steering fluid under there. Don't tell nobody. Alright, put this wrench back on your strip. Daddy used one of your wrenches. Alright, close it up. Alright, put tools up. Let's see what we can do next. Alright, I'm recording this so I don't forget where this goes. This little hose right here goes back over here to this corner. Alright, we make sure we got everything disconnected off the wires and stuff, off the motor. We're going to get these unhooked, unless they stay to the motor. We'll get this unhooked, the throttle cables.
Yeah.
And then we'll get all the stuff back here on the firewall taken off. Well, we're going to get all the stuff off the firewall that we don't need. That way we can pull the motor out. Okay? We're going to get everything up top done first. Then we're going to worry about the bottom. Well, I guess it didn't like me saying the weather needed to make up its mind because blue skies over there. And it's raining its ass off over here. But I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I do not mind one bit because we need the rain. We ain't had it. Everybody else has gotten rain all around us. Something about the valley we're in. Rain always dissipates right before it gets to us up here. Unfortunately, I know there are areas in Texas right now and several other places across the United States that don't need the rain. Our thoughts and prayers are with them, especially the people of Central Texas, New Mexico, North Carolina, all the children and lives lost. Praying for peace and healing for the families who've lost everybody. But unfortunately, we do need this. But we'll be back when we're back. Gonna take a quick break, cool down, and all that good stuff. Alright, so it's Monday. We didn't get to do near as much as we wanted to this weekend. Saturday, it kept raining on and off. Sunday, same way. And well, today's Monday. Got more storms blowing in, which we need the rain. So, what we got done so far, pretty much was he got the radiator out. We'd already had the front accessories off previously. Anyway, got the front accessories off previously. We tried to see if we can get this motor unstuck, and that sucker's tight, locked up. But we did get the AC compressor pulled off and moved over. Just moved it back so we close the hood. We're going to work on getting the exhaust loose next. Transmission cross member, drive shaft, things like that. Work on getting the rest of the wiring loose on here. Hoses up there, things like that. And we're just going to get all this out. We've got another guy that needs another motor, so he's going to take the short block on this, rebuild it if it's rebuildable, and he's going to put it in his truck. So everything's got a use, everything's got a purpose, but that's kind of all we got for right now, unfortunately. Like I said, due to weather, we didn't get as much accomplished this weekend as we wanted, but if the weather holds out throughout the week, Noah and I will get out here and get some more done on this, and we'll record our progress. Anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. I know it wasn't much, but it was definitely fun recording with Noah. I know I had a few times my fingers were in the way and didn't realize it till after the fact. But trying to record and do tools and teach him and help him at the same time. Unfortunately, some of the video wasn't the greatest. But regardless, guys, we appreciate y'all watching. Noah, like I said, Noah's enthusiastic, excited to work on his truck. And he's excited to take y'all along on his journey on his build. So y'all stay tuned for more. Any questions, comments, anything like that, hit us up. Leave them in the comments. You know, we'll answer everything back we can. Appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a good one.